Hi students. So this is your unknown number 3 for experiment 9, molecular shapes. And this one could have been done in the PhET simulation that I showed in the earlier videos, but I was in mole view, so I might as well stay with it. Here I have the Lewis dot structure. Again, I want to show in the 2D drawing for this program, they omit the lone pairs. So in your Lewis dot structure, make sure to include those and provide the correct number of valence electrons. In the 3D rendition, we see it here. Also, everything's color-coded. The oxygens are red, the carbons are black, just like molecular model kits, and the hydrogens are white. If you want, you can play around with the overall dipole, and we see that this molecule has a net dipole, and this is a polar molecule, and we see that with the dipole being pulled towards the direction of the oxygen because it's more electronegative. All right, thanks.